Welcome, everyone, to my channel, Agriculture Hacks and Tips. If you're passionate about farming, agriculture innovations, and tips to boost productivity, you're in the right place. Today, we'll talk about some of India's most famous farmers who have made significant contributions to agriculture. Let's begin. First on our list is Subhash Palekar, the man behind Zero Budget Natural Farming, or ZBNF. He promotes a farming method that doesn't require chemical fertilizers or pesticides. Instead, he encourages farmers to use natural compost and indigenous techniques. His work has helped thousands of farmers increase their yield without harming the environment. Next, we have M.S. Swaminathan, the scientist who led the Green Revolution in India. He introduced high-yielding crop varieties and modern farming techniques, helping India become self-sufficient in food production. Because of him, India no longer depends on food imports. Ever heard of a farmer who grows bananas, tomatoes, and wheat with record-breaking yields? Meet Ram Saran Verma. He uses scientific methods like drip irrigation and tissue culture to maximize his farm's productivity. His innovative approach has inspired thousands of Indian farmers. Up next is Dadaji Ramaji Khobragade, the genius behind HMT rice. His rice variety is popular among farmers because of its high yield and great taste. Even without formal education, he developed one of the most successful rice varieties in India. Lastly, we have Rajaram Bhai Patil, a farmer dedicated to organic and sustainable agriculture. He has helped many farmers switch to natural methods that improve soil fertility and reduce costs. And that's it for today. These legendary farmers have transformed Indian agriculture through innovation, hard work, and dedication. Which one inspired you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Agriculture Hacks and Tips for more amazing content. See you in the next video.